Na piling-pili ni Sir James, uyang unaan mga tagiromdom as in station ID.
RPN Provincial Stations, DZBS Baguio, DYKB Bacolod, DXXX Zamboanga, DXKO Cagayan de Oro, DXDX General Santos, DYKC Cebu, DZKI Iriga, DXKD Dipolo, DXKS Surigao, DXKP Pagadian, DXKT Davao, at DZRL Bata. RPN Provincial Stations.
RPN Radio Philippines Network, Radyo Ronda, DZKI Iriga, member kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Ang oras na ini, dara po sa Indukan Losenya Electrical Supply para po sa madikalidad na electrical product. Day po kalingawan, Losenya Electrical Supply. Losenya Electrical Supply, madaling makukuha, aranisa na sa Barangay Hall, San Francisco, Iriga City. On and managed by Engineer Meneleo Losenya.
Siringman kan Magic Hand Salon and Massage sa diri asin pinagmamanihar ni Ellen Orbon sa may atubangan kan San Nicolas Elementary School, Highway 1, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Pwede man naapudan sa numero 0912-148-6997.
Traffic sa kalsada, makukulit na motorista, mabilis na sasakyan, hanglan sa problema ng ating bayan. Walang humpay na pagtawid, nagsa-cellphone na iinip, drinking while driving pa. Pero nandito kami para sa inyo magpaalala. Priority namin ng KSK LTO. Ang gabay mo, KSK, sa kaligtasan, sa kalsada ang LTO. May kultura, KSK, kaligtasan, sa kalsada, KSK, 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 KSK.
A first on radio, DZKI Iriga welcomes CNN Philippines to bring you the latest news you can use, news you can trust. Listen to Newsnight, weekdays, 6 p.m.
We now go above and beyond the headlines.
Followed by Med Talk, Health Talk.
We'll talk about how to keep ourselves healthy during the pandemic.
Politics as usual.
In this country, not everything really goes according to plan, and politics is, as usual,
Up close and more. Catch CNN Philippines Hour on DZKI Iriga. Weekdays, 6 to 7 p.m.